Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix layers not showing on CapCut PC. So in here, I've already opened a project and I have 3 clips in here, and I want to adjust the layer of the clip. So it's usually under the basic settings on the video, so just click on the video in here, and if you scroll down there will be layer options in here, but as you guys can see here, there is no layer available in here. So what you need to do is go to the menu at the top, click on settings, and in here tap on the edit options in here, and you can see the arrange layer. So you need to make sure that this off. So just uncheck this and click on save. After that, you can just restart or close CapCut first and then open it again. Okay, you can start a new project, for example, and add the clips that you want to edit. Here I'm going to select 3 clips like before and see if the problem is fixed. So I'm going to add 3 clips. Okay, so I have 3 clips like this, and let's see under the basic if there is layer options. Okay, so at the bottom in here you can see there will be these layer options when you turn off the settings before. So that's how you can fix layer not showing on CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye!